loves? It's Jess, aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Kirigami Pochette. I literally just got this in the mail and I'm so excited. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching this video. Okay guys, so we're going to unbox it together. Now I had to do this video because there is no way I am waiting another week to do this video. So we're gonna unbox her. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, this pochette is literally sold out online. I had to hunt this bag down. Now, I was lucky enough to be able to get it directly from Louis Vuitton. It was a hassle, okay? And I just checked before I went to record this video. It's still currently sold out online. It's unavailable. If this is something you might be interested in, you might have to stalk the website and check a few times a day to see if you're able to get your hands on it, because this is a really popular item. Don't need that. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Look at how pretty. Okay, I always get crazy over the box because I just think it's so beautiful the way they wrap it. Color is just to die for. Okay, so. Oh man, I didn't want to mess up the ribbon. I should have just pushed it. Okay, so this box is different from the ones that I usually have. It has a little snap. So this is the receipts. Now guys, pre-tax, this is $745, which honestly is a steal. Okay, it has the beautiful dust bag that is color. Oh my god, I haven't seen it in person, guys, so like I'm super excited. Okay, so I got the monogram, as you can see, monogram canvas. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Now what I love about this set is that it comes with 3, guys, which, like I said, for $745 to get 3 items from Louis Vuitton, 3 accessories, that's a steal. So this is the big one, this is the medium-sized one, and then on the inside is the small one. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. The big one is pink on the inside. This leather feels so soft, guys. It's not stiff at all. Like, it's really, really soft. So as you can see, mine was made in France. Okay, I don't know why, I just get excited when that happens. Now, I don't have the measurements, but I'll link it down below, so if you guys want to check it out. The medium-sized one has the bright red on the inside. Beautiful, very beautiful, and all of them are super soft. The canvas is very, very soft. And then the really, really small one, oh my god, this is to die for. Can you see this? It's so it has, okay, it's just the tags and stuff on the inside. But this one, it's like a burgundy color on the inside. So all 3 of them have 3 different colors, which I think it's so beautiful. It's so unique and different. Each one has their own thing kind of going on. Snap it closed. So guys, this item, it's so difficult to get your hands on it. Now, when it sold out, this was something that I really wanted, and I was like, I'll just get it, you know, eventually. And then the moment I saw that it sold out online, I didn't realize how much I really wanted it until that happened, and I went on the hunt for it. I was even checking the pre-loved sites, and honestly, I saw this for exactly the same price that Louis Vuitton is selling it for pre-loved already used. That's just insane to me. But these are really holding their value, and you can even sell each one individually if you wanted to. You can make a lot of money. You get 3 accessories for $745 pre-tax. That is amazing. That's a steal for Louis Vuitton. Again, all 3, the canvas, so buttery soft. Like, it's so beautiful. I've never seen this in person until now. I'm so excited with my purchase. I love it. Oh my god. I don't know yet what I'm going to use each one for. I haven't thought that far ahead yet. Maybe just the big one. I do plan, obviously, using as maybe like a little going out bag, you know. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use these other 2 for. Guys, it's so beautiful. All right, so I'm going to go play with these. I just wanted to make the video for you guys so you can see what I got from Louis Vuitton. And I'll leave the information down below if you guys want to keep checking the website to see if it comes in stock. And maybe I'll do a video and see how it holds up or how I plan on using it. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. Don't forget. All right, guys, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Oh, so exciting.